So, hi students, today we are going to discuss about the successor and predecessor. Successor and predecessor means, already we know that successor means next number, predecessor means before number. How we can get the successor and predecessor? By adding 1 we will get the successor, and by subtracting 1 we will get the predecessor. Okay. So, I am going to give an example about that. How to find the successor for 5,74,396. So, for this we have to add 1 for this given number, then we will get the successor. So, 6 plus 1 7, here remaining number will be same. 5,74,397 is the successor of this number. Understood? And predecessor means we have to subtract 1. So, predecessor of this number, same number I am going to find 5,74,396. Predecessor of this means we have to do subtraction. We have to subtract 1 from the given number, then we will get the predecessor. So, 6 minus 1 5, 9, 3, 4, 7, 5, 5,74,395 will be the predecessor of the given number. Understood? Like this we have to find the successor and predecessor. So, now I am going to explain the comparison of two numbers, how to compare two numbers, how to put the given numbers into an order. So, these two things we are going to discuss now. First, how to compare the numbers. How to compare the two numbers means here two things are there. First thing, we have to compare the digits, how many digits are there in the given numbers. First, I am going to give two numbers here. Here observe this, in these two numbers, here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits I gave here. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits only are there. So, always the 5 digit number will be the smallest one than 6 digit number. So, it will be greater one. So, here like this we can compare two numbers. If I give equal digits of numbers means how we have to compare. I am going to explain now. Here I gave two numbers now. So, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are there. So, equal digits of numbers are given means first we have to compare the highest place. What is the highest place in this means? First you have to write the periods, 1 period, 1000 period, lakhs period. Here also 1 period, 1000 period, lakhs period. Observe the lakhs period here. According to the periods you have to put commas. Observe the periods here. 3 lakhs and 3 lakhs are there. 94,000 are here. Here 200, here 800 is there. So, which one is big? 81 is big, no? So, that put less than. 3,94,284 is less than 3,94,824. Understood? Like this you have to compare the numbers. Okay. Now, how to put the given number into an order? We have to arrange the given numbers into ascending order or descending order. Ascending order means small to big, or descending order means big to small. We have to arrange. First, I am going to take some numbers here, then I will show how to arrange the given numbers into ascending order and descending order. So, I took here 5 numbers are there. 3,49,396. Okay, here I put commas according to the period. After that number I kept full stop and comma. Observe this. Okay, so 4,98,396, 3,94,396, 4,89,396, 3,98,396. These numbers I took here. So, now I am going to arrange these given numbers into ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Small to big means we have to pick up the smallest one among the given numbers. Smallest one means all the numbers having the same digits. So, that we have to compare the highest place in the following. So, what is the highest place in the following? Here 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs and 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs is the smallest one. Among the 3 lakhs numbers are 3 here. So, in these 3 numbers, which is the smallest one means go for 1000 period. 1000 period here 49,000 here. Here 94,000, here 98,000, 49,000 is the smallest one. You have to write the 3,49,396. Immediately you have to compare the remaining two numbers here. 3,94,000, 3,98,000. 3,94,000 is the smallest one. So 3,94,396. After that, immediately you have to write the remaining number, that 3,98,396. 3,98,396. After that, go for 4 lakhs numbers. 4 lakhs numbers are 2 here. So in these two 4 lakhs numbers, which is the smallest one, means 4,98,000 here, 4,89,000. 89,000 is the smallest one. So that 4,89,396 will be the smallest one. After that, 4,98,396 is the biggest one among the given numbers. So that like this you have to arrange the given numbers into ascending order. Okay, descending order means you have to arrange the given numbers into big to small. Arrange the given numbers into big to small, then we will get the descending order. Understood? Like this you have to do the sums. Understood? After the comparison of numbers, we are going to discuss about how to form a number with the given digits. How to form a number with the given digits. For suppose I am going to take digits here. 7, 3, 9, 2, 1, 5. Here how many digits I took here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits I took. Here we have to form a greatest 6 digit number and the smallest 6 digit number. So greatest 6 digit number, how can we form? So when we are going to form a greatest 6 digit number means, and we have to arrange the given digits into descending order. We have to arrange the given numbers into descending order, then we will get the greatest number. If we arrange the given numbers into ascending order means we will get the smallest number. So here what are the digits are? 7, 3, 9, 2, 1, 5. Here what is the highest one? 9 will be the highest one, 9. After that 7, next 5, next 3, 2, 1. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000s, comma, lakhs. Here in the question, all the numbers after comma will be given. But when you are when you form a number means, you must put comma according to the periods. Nobody should not keep comma for every number. ఇక్కడ ప్రతి నెంబర్కి కామా పెట్టకూడదు. ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మాత్రం అన్ని నెంబర్స్కి కామా ఇస్తారు. ఇవన్నీ డిజిట్స్ మాత్రమే. మీరేం చేశారు? పెద్ద నెంబర్ ఫామ్ చేశారు, 6 డిజిట్ నెంబర్ని ఫామ్ చేశారు. సో 6 డిజిట్ నెంబర్ ఫామ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? పీరియడ్స్ని బట్టి కామర్స్ పెట్టుకోవాలి. వన్స్ పీరియడ్, వన్స్ టెన్స్, హండ్రెడ్స్ కామా, ఆఫ్టర్ కామా 1,000, 10,000 ఆఫ్టర్ కామా ల్యాక్స్ వస్తాయి అన్నమాట. అర్థమైందా? ఇక్కడ మీరు మళ్ళీ అన్నిటికీ కామర్స్ పెడితే అది మళ్ళీ డిజిట్స్ అయిపోతాయి కాబట్టి ఆ నెంబర్ ఫామ్ అవ్వదు. Understood? Next, smallest 6 digit means we have to arrange the given numbers into ascending order. Ascending means small to big. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000s, comma, lakhs. Understood? Like this, you have to arrange the given numbers, given digits into greatest and smallest numbers. Understood? I am going to explain another example. So now we took here 7 digits here. Here I took 7 digits. We are going to form a greatest 7 digit number. ఇక నేను ఎన్ని డిజిట్స్ తీసుకున్నాను, సో అన్ని డిజిట్స్తో ఒక నెంబర్ తయారు చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది. సో హియర్ 7 digits I took, so we have to write the 7 digits greatest number. Greatest 7 digits number means what we have to do here? Here we have to arrange the given numbers into descending order. So we have to find the biggest one among these. 9 is the biggest one. 9 after 6, 6 after 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So 1's period after comma, 1,000's period after comma, lakhs. Understood? Like that only you have to arrange the given numbers into ascending order, then we will get the smallest 7 digit number. Then what we have to do? We have to arrange the given numbers into ascending order. When you are put the given numbers into given digits into ascending order, we should not write 0 in first. We should not write 0. If we wrote 0 in first means that will become 6 digit number. So we have to write the except 0, what is the smallest one among the given numbers means 1. First 1 we have to write, immediately we must write the 0. ఫస్ట్ 1 రాసుకుని తర్వాత 0 పెట్టుకోవాలి. 1 అంటే 1 అనే కాదు, ఏ నెంబర్ స్మాలెస్ట్ అయితే 0 కాకుండా ఆ నెంబర్ ఫస్ట్ రాసుకోవాలి. ఆ తర్వాత ఇమీడియట్గా 0 పెట్టుకుని తర్వాత రిమైనింగ్ అన్నిటిని కూడా అసెండింగ్లో రాసేసుకోవచ్చు. 2, 3, 4, 6 and 9. So ones period after comma, thousands period after comma, lakhs. ఇలా అరేంజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. Understood this? Next. So now we are going to discuss about the checkpoint 4. Page number 15. Fourth checkpoint. Compare the following using greater than, less than or is equal to sign. Here 2 questions are given. Write the 2 questions and compare the 2 numbers. Compare the 2 numbers means first what we have to compare, how many digits are in that both numbers. If equal digits are there in the both numbers means you have to compare the greatest place to smallest place. Compare each and every digit you have to compare. First you have to compare the greatest places. Next compare the next places up to ones you have to compare. If all the digits are equal means you have to put equal to. If it is any digit is greater or less means you have to put greater than symbol or less than symbol. I am going to explain the sums. So see here A sum and B sum I wrote here and compare the A sum. In the A sum first you have to write the periods there. Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. Here also ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. Here compare the crores period. Crores are 8 crores and 8 crores are here. 64 lakhs and 64 lakhs are here. Next thousands, 56,000 and 65,000. 65,000 is greater and 56,000 is small. So that we have to put less than symbol. Understood? Like this we have to. Remaining places no need to compare. ఎక్కడైతే మనకి బిగ్ స్మాల్ తెలిసిపోయిందో ఇంకా అక్కడ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ లెస్ అని పెట్టేసేయచ్చు. మళ్ళీ మిగిలిన ప్లేసెస్ కానీ మిగిలిన పీరియడ్స్ మనం కంపేర్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ చూడండి. సో హియర్ ఆల్సో హ్యావ్ టు పుట్ ప్లేసెస్ పీరియడ్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ హియర్ వన్స్ పీరియడ్, థౌజండ్స్ పీరియడ్, lakhs period and crores period. Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. Here 3 crores and 3 crores are equal. 45 lakhs and 45 lakhs. Here 87,000, here 78,000. It is greater. 87,000 is greater than 78,000. Next no need to compare the ones period. Understood? Like this you have to compare the numbers. Understood? All of you see the 5th checkpoint. Now see the 5th Roman here, 5th checkpoint in that page only. Write the following in ascending and descending order. We have to arrange the given numbers. I am going to explain A sum here. See A sum. These numbers are given 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are given in the question. We have to arrange these 4 numbers into ascending and also descending also. So here first number is 23 lakhs 54,208. So here all the numbers having the same digits, so that we have to compare the largest place value. So largest place is 20 lakhs here, 23 lakhs, 24 lakhs and 42 lakhs. What is the smallest one? 23 lakhs. 23 lakhs are 2 numbers are there. 23 lakhs 54,000, here 64,000. So 23 lakhs 54,208 will be the smallest one. Immediately you have to write the 23 lakhs 64,802 will be the greater one. Next 24 lakhs is next one and 42 lakhs is next one. Okay, దానికంటే పెద్దది 24 lakhs చాలా పెద్దది, దానికంటే పెద్దది 42 lakhs. So you can write the 24 lakhs 64,008 and next 42 lakhs 24,802. The question only he gave in ascending order. So next descending order. Descending order means big to small. What is the biggest one here? 42 lakhs 24,802 and next 24 lakhs 64,008 and next 23 lakhs 64,802 and next 23 lakhs 54,208. This is the descending order. Like this you have to arrange the descending order and ascending order. Here all of you try to do the B sum in 5th Roman. And next I am going to explain the sixth Roman sixth checkpoint. We have to form a greatest number and a smallest number using the given digits. Understood? So now observe the sixth Roman, form the smallest and greatest number using the given digits. So in A Roman 1, 4, 5, 0, 8, 7, 3, 2. These numbers are given. We have to arrange these numbers into ascending order, then we will get the smallest number. Ascending order means we should not put 0 in first, no. So first what we have to write? 1 is there. So except 0, what is the smallest one among the given numbers is 1. So 1 we have to write first, then you have to write 0 immediately. Next 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. These are the numbers are there. So ones period after comma, thousands period after comma, lakhs period after comma, it will be the crores period. So 1 crore 2,34,578 is the number. Understood? Next, what is the greatest number? How can we form a greatest number with the given digits? Given digits, arrange the given digits into descending order, then we will get the greatest number. So descending order means 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You can write 0 in the last, there is no problem. You should not write 0 in the first. Understood? Next, here ones period after comma, thousands period after comma, lakhs period after comma, crores. 8 crores 75 lakhs 43,210. మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా నెంబర్ రాసినట్టు ఒకసారి చదవడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. అర్థమైందా? నెంబర్ చదవటం అలవాటు.